So on our Pixellab app now, so you have to change the size to what you want, your preferred size, as you can see on the screen. So just pick any flyer of your choice and change the size to what you see. Then we have the size now already, so I want to change the color to my preferred one. So just pick any color you want. As you can see, I'm scrolling. So I picked black and I went to pick shape up. So I'm trying to move the shape. As you can see, so I copied the shape to give me more than one. So you can move it to the direction you want. So I'm reducing the size because I want it to be fit on the screen. I want to check the size of the first one so that I can put in the second one. So I'm adjusting it now to the right place. So those of you with phone, you can go along with me. Let's see what you can design at the end of today's class. Just follow exactly what I'm doing, then you should be able to achieve something at the end of today. So I copied it, make it 4 and place it. Then I want to click on the texture to put a picture on each of the shape. So this is the first picture I want to put now. I want to resize it so that I can put it. So I click on texture back. And I'm trying to scale it so that it can be okay. I think this is better. So the second picture, second shape. So for you to have an idea of a flyer you want to design in mind, you can go to Google to download any flyer and make a replica of it. So I'm adding picture to each of it one by one by clicking on texture. You're able to add picture to each of your shape. So if you download flyers on Google and make a replica, it will help you to know how to choose your color wisely and how to position each of your shapes and the sizes you need to use. So I will encourage you to keep working using Pixellab. So I lock all the shape now so that it won't be moving from one place to another, so that it will not affect the other design. So I want to write a text now. So I'm writing foot menu. So I'm extending it now. So I want to go and choose I'm looking for fonts that I'll use. So I pick Auto 1 regular. So I want to pick relative position, so I'm putting it now in the middle. Then again I want to write a text again, like I want to put contacts. I think I should put X. Yes. So let me resize it now. And I'll change the font to Virgo. Let me just use Virgo like that. Since just a sample flyer, just teach you. So I place it now in the middle. I duplicate the contact so that to give me the same font. You know, it's not good to use more than 2 or 3 fonts in a flyer. 2 serve is okay as a beginner. So the next thing is I want to write a slogan for the flyer. A taste for life. So we just put it down part of the flyer. So I want to change the font now to something like a slogan sha. So you can adjust it to the best you feel it could be, or make your own flyer more beautiful than this, although we are not true. So for those of you that have laptop learning Figma, you can still learn how to use your phone to design, because you might need it someday. So it's important to know how to use both phone and laptop. So I want to pick another picture now. Just follow exactly the way I'm doing it. The video will still be available after today's live class, where you can still go there to watch and see areas you can make adjustments, or in case you are not understanding it. So I want to pick another picture. I want to make sure that each of the foots are scattered around the flyer to indicate that okay, we don't have just one type or two type of variety of foots, we have other varieties. So to pick picture, hope you know how to do that. You go to that plus sign, then you see from gallery, so you can pick any picture you downloaded already from your gallery. I'm trying to see if that banana I put is not good. Maybe if I put the other pictures to be final. Let me put the banana on back. I think it's better. So let me put it, like adjust it to make it good. Okay. So I want to pick a logo. You can download this as well on Google. Just type phone call logo or PNG. So to give you something like this, you can download it. and use. I'm sure you've known how to remove background, so if it comes with a background, you can remove it. When I was explaining on Figma too, I explained how you can remove the background of an image. So you can remove the background of an image using your Google. Go to remove.bg, then remove the background and download it and use it, as you can see. So if you are not getting it, you can pause the video at a time, then follow one after the other how it is being done. Then if you still need to watch the Figma on, you can pause and play it or watch it at your leisure time. So I like everyone to do a replica of this design to show with your phone, yes, even something even more beautiful than this, to show you understand the live class for today, using your phone to design on Pixellab. You can even do something finer than this. You don't have to do exact. Just look for a picture on Google, download it, like any sample flyer on Google, download it and make a replica of it. Then let's see. So the next is, let's change the color. This one is not fine. It's too bright. It's too bright. Is this better? I think it's too bright. Let's check another color. Okay. Still checking colors. Pick any color that you think will be cool for the flyer and use. Let me make this one more darker. Let's see how it will look. To make it more darker, I click on the plus sign. The plus you can see. I think it's better now. It's somehow cool compared to the brighter color. So I'll go for this. So as you can see, it is not beautiful. So do a replica of this or something better and show. So some of the tools, but don't forget that you have to put logo first. So this is one of the logo we've designed that I'm going to put. So you can remove the background of this logo if you want. It's not my logo. Do your own logo. Don't use my own logo. Create your own logo. Watch the video of how to make this logo, then create your own and use it. Don't use my own. So if you use your own logo to be more better, at least be proud of what you are doing. So choose any logo of your choice. I will have used tech logo, but I've always been using it. So let me use something different this time. So let me resize the logo now and place it by the right side. So you can put your own logo by the left side and move the foot. So it matters your choice. So let's try and do something. Then I want to go and pick from the gallery the WhatsApp, so that to show that the same number can be used to call for WhatsApp. You can get this logo on Google as well. Just type WhatsApp logo and click on image on it, so you see picture of it, which you can download and use. So I think it's better. Let me still. Okay. I think it's better now. What do you think? Yeah. So this is how our logo is. Our flyer is. I'm sure you enjoy watching this. That's very beautiful. So for those of you that have both laptop and phone, try and learn both to help you at the long run. So other menu things we can use here, but first let's save the image. PNG, then put it to the highest. Ultra is the highest. Click save to gallery. It's saving already. So you can also save it as projects. Click the up beside the plus sign, save as projects, then type the name of the project you want to save. Foot flyer. Okay, so that when next you can go back to it to work on it. So just do something like this, replica of this, and let's see. So we also have some other tools that you can see down. I'd like you to learn each of the tools, work with it and be used with it so that it will be easier for you to use. Then we have a motivation this thing up there, quotes, where you can use motivation, success, friendship, happiness, and so on. Quotes that you can use inside your flyer or whatever you want to use it for. So this Pixellab have a lot of tools. You can even pick French language if you don't want English. You can see that 2 comma up there. That's where you can see the quote. So remember to change the size too before you start your work. So thank you so much.